Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image as a watermark in a PDF document. If you want to include an image watermark in your PDF, you can use a free online tool called I Love PDF. This tool provides several features for editing PDF files. Let's walk through the process. Start by opening any browser and searching for I Love PDF. Once on the website, scroll down to find the watermark option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to upload the PDF file you want to edit. After selecting your file, you'll be taken to the watermark settings. In the watermark settings, choose the Place Image option. Then, click on the Add Image button to upload the image you want to use as the watermark. Once the image is added, you can position it anywhere on the PDF. For example, if you want it in the center, simply select that position, which will be indicated by a red dot. Next, you can adjust how the watermark looks and behaves. If you'd like the image to repeat across the page, you can enable the Mosaic option. You can also control the transparency level of the image, set it to 75% if you want the image to appear slightly faded. Additionally, there's an option to rotate the image to the angle of your choice. If you want the watermark to appear on specific pages only, you can select those pages instead of applying it to the entire PDF. Finally, you can decide whether the watermark should appear below or above the existing PDF content. For instance, placing it below ensures the image won't cover the text or graphics already in the document. Once you've finalized all these settings, click on the Add Watermark button to process your file. After the process is complete, a Download PDF with Watermark button will appear. Click on it to download your updated file. Now, open the file to confirm that the watermark has been applied correctly. As you can see, the image has been successfully added as a watermark to your PDF document. And that's it. You now know how to add an image watermark to your PDF using I Love PDF. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.